Welcome to my channel Hobby Studios. Today in this video we are going to learn how to make the water pump. The things that are needed for this project is one glue gun, Fevicol bottle, sandpaper, seal, one scissor, blade, 3 bottle caps, safety pin and one DC motor, one red wire and black wire, pen. Guys, first take one bottle cap and mark in center of that. And heat the scissor, put on hole. That hole size should be, we can insert this DC motor. Guys, I put the hole. The hole should look like this. Now we want to stick the motor in the bottle cap. So you want to take the glue gun. Now we should put glue in the sides of the hole. Now we need to take the another bottle cap and cut into 2 parts. Guys, I cut like this. In this 2 also we want. Rub this with sandpaper. And this also. Now it is nice. Put a hole in the center. That hole size should be the motor iron rod can go inside that hole. Guys, I put on hole. I put the hole with safety pin. Fix this plate in the iron rod and leave some gap. In that gap the blade should go. And take the Fevikwik, apply in the iron rod and the plate so it can catch. Now take the another piece of that bottle cap and measure the correct distance with ruler and cut it. I mark 4 pieces like this. I cut at 4 equal parts with the bottle cap and mark 4 lines on the plate. In that line we want to stick the pieces of bottle caps with the Fevikwik. Guys, I have sticked the bottle cap pieces. Now we can test it. It is nice. Now we can cover the down part. For that we want to first connect the positive and negative wire. I have connected the negative and positive wire. Now we can insulate it. We want to insulate very tightly because the water should not come inside and touch the motor. The water touch means the motor will damage, so we want to insulate very tightly. Now we want to insulate these 2 wires to make these 2 wires as the single wires. Now I have made the 2 wire as single wire. Now take the Fevicol bottle, cut the tip of it. And measure the size. Now I have measured the size. We want to cut this. and at the bottom we want to put one hole to insert these wires. Now I have put a hole. Now you want to leave this wire in that hole. And we want to put Fevikwik. Guys, I have sticked this with Fevikwik and covered with M-Seal because M-Seal will not allow the water to go inside. It will protect the motor. So only I use M-Seal here. And the next is take the last cap and put a hole in center. That hole size should be the pen cap size. Mark it with the sketch. Guys, I put one big hole and take a small piece of pen cap to insert here. And the next one is take the sketch, take out the inner parts. It should be look like this. Inside it should empty. And one side cut it straight and the other side cut it slanting position. In the slanting position, rub with sandpaper. And why I cut here slanting position means to fix it like this. So you want to put one hole here also. So fix it like this and mark. Guys, I have put here a hole to fix this in the slanting position like this. Now we want to rub this with the sandpaper. Guys, I have rubbed this hole with sandpaper. Now it is nice. And now we want to stick this with M-Seal. Guys, I have stuck these two pieces in bottle cap with M-Seal. And the last step is you want to stick this part like this. First we want to put Fevikwik and next we want to put M-Seal. Guys, I have covered this with M-Seal. That's all, the water pump is completed. Now we can check how it is working. Guys, it is very nice. See, it is pumping the water. Guys, now we can check without tube. The main concept of water pump is the water sucked inside in the grey tube by the motor and the fan blades help the water to push out in the orange tube. Okay guys, today's video is completed. Please like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. See you in next video. Bye bye.